something that I did not expect. And when I bought the van, I was told that new tires were fitted on the van, and looking at the tires I can see they were brand new, and looking at the spare wheel, the tread was still good, but I just assumed this was also a new wheel. Didn't check the date on the tire. Now, African sun baking on the tire, and it did have a cover on the back, so even having the cover, still not good enough. Better to mount the wheel underneath the van. My inline filter that I made will just go straight into the water tank there. I can just plug the hose pipe into there, and I haven't put anything inside this chamber yet. I've still got to decide what to put in there. At the moment there's only a stainless steel mesh right at the top. I'm still deciding what to push into that. Most probably just some cloth, just to stop the solids from getting into the water tank. All new look from behind the van. It looks so different. Not having the spare wheel here. There is a standard bracket underneath the van there where you can mount the spare wheel. So I will be mounting my spare wheel underneath the van in future. Thank you for watching, and join me again next week. But it's time to hit the road again sometime, so I have to make a plan. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Cheers.